Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Swim 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the application. In the Garmin Connect application you should see My Day page basically when you open it. Now find the menu icon or more icon in the top left corner. Tap on it to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices. And here you should see list of devices connected to your phone. And on it you should see the Swim 2. Tap on it to select it and this should bring you to this page. Now find the icon in the top right corner, tap on it to open the menu and then tap on remove device. And then tap on remove button to confirm. Now, you can tap on close or settings. I recommend to tap on settings because we need to go to the Bluetooth settings to remove the device from the list of connected devices. So if you tap on settings, it should redirect you to connected devices. And here you should see Swim 2 on the list. Tap on the settings icon next to it, then tap on forget and tap on forget this device. If it doesn't redirect you to the connected devices, you can always open the settings on your phone. And you should see option called connected devices. Tap on it and it will open this menu. Okay, and once the device is removed from this list, you can close the settings and at this point, the watch is unpaired from your phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.